culture. I love great jokes.
My computer.
I'll play the piano.
Is everything all right in here?
Yes, Sammy.
Look deep into my eyes.
Yeah, look deep into my meow. Look deep into my meow. Huh? Meow. Meow. It's TV time. Meow.
What? Ooh, TV time. Come on, Kermit, let's go.
You are under my power. Guess again, Count Goofala. Us vampires just don't get the respect we used to.
Oh, boy! Hoo-ha!
Because a chicken ate it.
I love these guys.
Too stupid.
Huh?
Neato burrito.
10 minutes to lift off, and all systems are...
It's the Sadie Hawkins Show.
Oh, she's my favorite. Howdy. Oh, isn't this just the best show, Kermit?
Nope.
Huh?
But this is...
Welcome to Hook, Line, and Sinker.
Yeah!
Today, the secrets of swamp fishing.
No way.
You know, Vern, speaking of learning, there's one thing I learned.
Oh, man. Does this guy crack you up or what?
Huh?
I must find my vampire queen.
Now that's entertainment, huh, gang? Oh, boy.
I believe I have the solution to this problem. Hello. Presenting my latest invention, fellow preschoolers, the macrotectronic television transductor, enabling all of you to watch your favorite shows at the same time.
Really? That little thing?
Oh, no. This device is just a controller. Beaker has the transductor.
Well, I see you found everyone okay, huh, Bunsen?
Oh, yes, Mrs. Nanny. And here, we won't be needing your remote control anymore.
Really? Well, okay. Have fun.
Okay, everyone. Give me your channel numbers. Got it. Beaker, activate the transductor.
Neat. What's his favorite show?
There we go.
It's working. Hey, my show!
In today's story, Sadie traps little Curly and drags him to the big barn dance.
Did he say little Curly?
I sure hope not.
Well, who'd you expect? Zubin Maida? Now, where are you, little Kermit? Yoo-hoo! Time for the dance! Little Kermit! Knock it off, Frog! This isn't funny! Office!
Okay now, Scooter. The first rule of good fishing is you gotta find a spot that's peaceful and quiet.
I see.
Obviously, this isn't the spot.
Little Kermit!
Huh? How did she get here?
Put on your dancing shoes!
Rule number too. A good fisherman never willingly goes to a dance with a pig.
Huh?
Shh, come on.
Howdy. Hi, what kind of fish do you catch if you use bubblegum for bait?
I don't know, Fuzzy. What kind?
A blowfish, get it? Bubblegum, blowfish?
This isn't correct. Fuzzy doesn't belong in the fishing program.
What was your first clue?
I'm sorry, Kermit. We seem to be experiencing some technical difficulties.
You don't say.
There. Try it now, Beaker.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Hey, what's going on here?
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Oh, there you are, my vampire queen. Look, Kurt, is that you? No, it is I, Count Gonzola. Oh, that little pumpkin railway packs so wallop, huh? What? Oh! Give me that stupid controller!
Beaker, I believe it's time to depress the button.
Huh? Now what, Bunsen?
It's very puzzling. The machine seems to be mixing up the programs.
Having trouble finding peace and quiet, Kerm? Is that what's bugging you?
Well, no. I mean, yes.
Here!
But,
Now that's peace and quiet, eh, Kerm?
well,
Nothing gets in, nothing gets out.
6, 5,
Huh?
4, 3,
Hi, you guys.
2, 1. We have liftoff.
I believe I've almost got this problem completely figured out, Kermit.
Hi, Wilbur.
Sheesh.
Brother.
Muppet babies will return after these.
Any luck, Bunsen?
Now, Beaker, connect the red to the white. Proceed. Perfect.
You can just forget about that fishing business, Kirby, because you're going to the dance. Do you hear me? Huh? Well, isn't that special? Hello. Oh, boy. What did you say? I said, permit me to introduce myself. No, thanks. Ew, what a creepy place. My name is Count Gonzola, and I want you to be my queen, huh? Not even if it would save the dolphins! Ah, she wants to play hard to get. We vampires love that. Come to Count Gonzola, my vampire queen!
Oh, 109. Once you find that special spot, bait your hook and plunk it into the water.
Yeah? Then what?
Then you just wait. Huh?
Gosh, not very long. What do you think we caught, Kurt?
Maybe a catfish, or a crawdad, or a rubber chicken?
What kind of bait are we using?
Yes.
We found a school of fish.
I'll say a nursery school. You wait here. Animal, what are you doing?
Me, swamp monster, make funny fish. Want to try again?
No, Animal. Fishermen don't want to catch toys.
They not?
No, they want to catch things that live in the swamp.
Ooh, swamp monster live in swamp?
Line was snagged. Things ought to pick up now.
Oh, boy.
See what I mean?
What kind of fish is this?
A big one! Not sauce! Swamp
Ooh, good score.
Hey! Do you guys want to hear a joke?
Huh?
Not really. I said, you guys want to hear a joke? You're kidding, right? Listen, what do you get when you cross a mud hen with a vampire? I don't know what. Ring around a collar. Get it? Vampire, neck, mud.
What? Where's Swamp?
Kermie, where are you? Yoo-hoo!
What?
Now you come on out, you cute little monster.
Ooh, that's me.
I've been kissed by a swamp monster.
Swamp Mama. Very well. Peter, do something. What?
That's a relief. I spoke too soon.
You say a duck laid an egg on the top of your head? Then a big herd of cattle took a nap in your bed? You're feeling kinda dizzy cause you fell into the washing machine. She can't walk, but she sure is clean. Is that what's bugging you, girl? Is that what's putting your tail in a curl? Your boomerang hit ya, your fish bit ya. Is that what's bugging you, girl? Oh, it takes your picture and the camera breaks. You have a bad dream, but you're really awake. The neighbors throw a party with a 50-piece hard rock band. Is that what's bugging you, Pearl? Is that what's putting your head in a whirl? Your ice cream cone has a mind of its own. Is that what's bugging you, girl? Into each life, some rain must fall.
Yeah, but Jerry, this is a ball.
Is that what's bugging you, girl? Is that what's putting your oink in a curl?
Could you hold on a sec?
Sure.
Thank you. Pardon me, Mr. Wizard, but I need this more than you do right now.
But Piggy, it isn't operational yet.
It's close enough.
Something bugging you, Pearl?
Not anymore. Ah, boy. I'll get you for this, Bunsen. I come in peace. Hey, this isn't the moon.
No kidding.
Now where am I? You know, most little girls would panic in a situation like this. Excusez-moi.
Muppet babe.
Can you believe this?
You know what you need, Pearl?
A pistol? Yoo-hoo! Little pink vampire! Come to count sweet pie! Give me a break! Would you quit? Help! Have no fear, my little vampire pork chop! Count Gonzola is on the way!
Good vampire.
Wait a second! What? Animal? What are you doing here?
Me not know.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Let's just find a cab, okay?
Okay, without anything to do with that, cab.
Is that what's bugging you, Pearl?
You know what's bugging me, Ethan? You and the fact that I can't get out of this stupid thing.
Have you tried the door?
The door? Why, no. Where did that come from?
Sears.
Right.
There you go, then.
Honestly, Beaker, allowing Piggy May to depart with our invention was very unscientific of you. Yoo-hoo! Piggy May! I wonder where she is. I believe I hear her approaching. My goodness, that was close. There's Piggy May, and here's the controller. Thank you, Piggy.
Well, at least my beautiful little house is okay. And my big mouth.
Is this what's bugging you, Pearl?
Unbelievable, isn't it? Hey, wasn't that my rocket? Oh, gee, it's wrecked. Didn't do much for my house either, Toots.
May I offer a suggestion?
No!
Whoa! Ugh. Sorry.
No problem.
Hey, I know what we can do. You do not. Listen.
Rule 26012. Way out in the middle of the swamp, you can be sure that nothing, and I mean nothing, will disturb you.
Right. Huh?
Unless it's a seaplane with a pig in it.
I got you now, little Kermit.
Howdy.
Isn't he cute? Gee, he looks just like my brother. That is your brother, silly. Kermit is the other one. Thought I was kidding about the taxi, didn't you?
Ooh, good tip.
Huh? Let's cut to the chase, Count. What do you think you're doing? The carotid. Ooh, the vampire dance of love, my little. Whoa. Hey, who are you? Skeeter Ray Yeager, first girl to fly to the moon. I hope. You fly too? Uh-huh. Oh, my kind of woman. Sorry, Pig, but I think my dance card has just been filled. So, you fly, huh? Yep. I'll get over it. Oh. Why won't you go to the dance with me, Kermit?
Well, 'cause I don't know how to dance, Piggy May. I only know how to fish.
Oh, is that all? I think we can handle that.
Oh, okay, I'll go then.
You will?
Hey, what do you get when you cross a vampire with a jar of peanut butter?
Huh?
I'm clueless.
A bat that sticks to the roof of your mouth. Get it? Vampire, bat, waka waka.
How you doing, Pearl?
Could you excuse me, Kermit?
Sure.
I believe I've got this figured out now, everyone.
So do I, Bunsen. I knew this thing was good for something.
Hi, kids. Bunsen came and told me he was having a lot of trouble with his remote control, so I gave him our real one.
Huh?
You did?
Uh-huh. Have fun now.
Hello, everyone. Ready?
Be sure to tune in next week when Sadie teaches little Curly how to make a party dress.
Did you hear that, Curly?
Oh, boy.
Hello, this is Garfield. Don't you just hate it when someone talks over the music at the end of the show? Yeah, they wanted me to plug my friend Grimmy, whose show is on next, and remind you that I'm on later, but hey, I have way too much respect for you to do that.
Just one more adjustment, Peter. Oh.